welcome back.
7 p.m. France, it's 95 degrees. I ain't gonna. I am heading to church. It's currently Wednesday, Ash Wednesday, and I am going to Rubaga Cathedral for Mass. Mass is done. I got my ash. We are beginning Lent season officially today. It's not about fasting food. You should also incorporate good acts in this season. So right now I am heading to Arena Mall. I don't like saving with that bank because the charges are so high. Yes, boo. No, like omuntu nakutwala ku Valentine mu lukalala lwonna. I should iron my gomesi sicho. Wabula ayinyetejo lagana. This is the cute soap shop. That shop was so cute. I ended up buying a soap for myself. I wasn't planning on spending. I'm heading to the cinema right now.
Live events, TV, radio.
I literally fear elevators. Otandisa 2 feet. Over one. I'm too scared. It's such a shame. Ready or not, here I come. It's not that scary. Oh shit. This is what was scaring me. The movie was great. It was worth watching. I was going to watch Primate, but then I met some girls and they were all paying for shelter, and I was like, there must be a big deal with this movie. So I ended up watching Shelter, and oh my god, it was the best. I rushed here in about 12 or 15 minutes. I was back here. So this is the soap that I got from Soap Appetizing. These people literally make soap that looks like cake. Guys, this is soap. It's not cake. It's so pretty. And it smells so good. It smells so nice. So these are the toppings. I don't know what they use, but I believe she gave me a wrong card for this soap because this is not blueberry, not a food item. Do not eat. Good morning, guys. Anywhere? Done with. Okay. I am now taking my order and taking my trash to the bin next to whatever we are done. Okay. Hi guys, the weather is so bad right now. It's so cold. I am going to the market to shop some food and fruits. I have pimples all over my skin, so I'm aiming at buying carrots, ginger, turmeric. They say they are so good for the skin, so I want to try that out. And then Oh, by the way, I got a juice extractor. I'm so happy to use it. Ngulamputa. May hafu ya gumu. I got a pineapple. I'm going to be making, you know, that morning juice for weight loss. Carrots. This is ginger, tomatoes, green pepper, and then I got some onions. Bought a saucepan, and then I bought some nail polish. Looks so fresh. I am now going to cook the Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to do my nails. It's 7 p.m. France. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga ain't got me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing shopping. I have my sister's birthday coming up, so I need to go look for a gift. Yesterday I went for a birthday. It was the absolute worst. The food was so bad. Orders take like 2 hours. I thank God I actually went late. Well, I had a very busy day yesterday. I had to do shopping for the Airbnbs and then go take new pictures because I want to put these on booking.com. I left the Airbnb in Bunga at around 7. Actually, it was around 7 and I was contemplating on going home because I was very tired until I got a call from one of my colleagues and they were asking me, are you lost? I actually didn't have a plan on going for the birthday by that time, but I had packed some extra clothes for just in case. So when I got a call from my colleague, I was like, anyway, let me just pass by. When I reached, everyone had finished eating. I reached the place at 8:30. Everyone had arrived at around 6:30, 7. And I had just arrived. Why is this place having... I saw a car just stopping there and I thought maybe I'm going the wrong direction. Guys, there is no car on the road. Is there a wall? There is no car on the road. So guys, this is Uganda, where if the president is passing by, all business has to halt. Are you seeing the police, the soldier up there? Are you seeing this one down here? That is our president passing by. And that's his toilet. That is the convoy for the Excellency Museveni. All business has to hold when he's passing by, guys. So, yeah. That's basically Uganda for you. And now that he has just passed, there's a lot of jam here. I was going to ship this from China for about 15,000 and it's just 5,000. So this is a phone stand. My balloons are going to be red, so I'm taking red for the decor. I think I should do gold and red, so I'm going to take this instead of this. Yeah, so I'm going to decorate for my sister when I get home. It's her birthday on Friday. I'm buying balloons before I even buy a gift. These are so cute. I started making popcorns recently and I love eating popcorn, but should I choose the yellow or the red? I'm going towards yellow. These cost 18,000. I don't know how many these are. I don't even know if I'll finish all these, but tell me why this 300 mils is 4,000 and the 500 mils is 4,900. Just 900 shillings more. It doesn't make sense. So I'll take the big ones. Who has tasted chia seeds? I want to try using chia seeds for weight loss, so I'm going to get these. I hope I don't throw up while taking them. I'm buying this for my mom. I'm getting this chili. It seems so hot. Chairs are expensive. I thought these chairs are like 50,000. 98. 100. 390,000. Guys, look at this. I love this. Oh my god. It's 1,150,000. I saw one here for 950,000. I think this is less durable. I could sleep here. It's clearly written, do not sit here, please. I'm going to try some dumplings and bubble milk tea. I hope it's nice. I've never tried it. I wanted to try this matcha, but I don't know. I'm told it's green tea. I'll try that next time. So today I'm trying the bubble milk tea. Guys, I bought a LED light. I'm so happy. LED light. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try it. I was going to order this from China and it was even more expensive. So I'm so glad I found it in Chinatown. So I got some dumplings and then I got some bubble tea. I've not taken bubble tea before, so I really wanted to test this. And this is the chili. So this is the dumpling. Let me first test this without the chili. Nice. And I add the chili. I'm scared. They are a bit chewy. The chili is not that hot. I got some serviettes, flour, toothpaste, detergent. This is the real deal. This sunflower oil. I'm beginning my weight loss journey, so I got some chia seeds, chili, bushera. This is a local drink. It's non-alcoholic. Salt is the Nivea collagen boost. Tea masala sponge. I got this stand for my phone. It is a desktop stand. I'm going for a birthday and I need to do some decoration. I had some decor that is left out, so I had to go fetch these. I got this playing cards. I got this hair serum. It's very good for wigs. And then I got this for, it was 31,200 something. It was on sale. So guys, this is the set that I got. It's a set for spices and they have little spoons inside. Doormat light kit. And I got a stand for it. I'm going to parade this and show you guys. It comes with a remote This is the adapter, and this is the light, and this connects to a tripod. And lastly, I got some pillows. So this is the light all set up. I did test it, and the light is so good. It's so bright. Let me first turn it on for you guys. So that's how bright it is. You can change the intensity of the brightness. You can change to warm lights or bright. You can dim it a little and increase it. So yes, that's all for my Chinatown haul. I'm on my way home. I can't wait to meet my mom. There's a lot of jam. I don't know why I chose to move at this time in the evening.